Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix a blurry Brave browser on Windows. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can adjust various aspects of your browser's performance and appearance. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on System. This section contains important settings related to how Brave interacts with your computer's hardware and operating system, which is exactly what we need to adjust to fix the blurry display issue. Now, within the system settings, look for an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature is designed to make your browser run faster by using your computer's graphics card, but sometimes it can actually cause display problems, including blurriness. You'll see a toggle switch right beside this option. Go ahead and toggle it off. By disabling graphics acceleration, you're telling Brave to use a different rendering method that often resolves blurriness issues on Windows systems. After you've toggled off the graphics acceleration, you'll see a relaunch button appear. Click on it to restart your browser. This step is necessary because the changes won't take effect until Brave completely closes and reopens. The browser will shut down and restart automatically, applying your new settings in the process. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the blurry display in your Brave browser by disabling graphics acceleration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.